Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the fourth option, which are 3 lines. After doing so, here in this page you should just select the settings option. And here you should press on the fourth option, which is switch accounts. Now after doing so, you can see that in my case I have 2 accounts here, one of which is Nick Nicholas Nicholson and the second is just Nick Nicholson, and I can just press on that and you can see that the Amazon app will refresh and I just basically instantly switched accounts. Now I can also switch it back to the other account if I want to, or just add the new account basically, and you just have to fill in all the information that you need to create a new account, and you can just add it here and switch to that one as well really easily. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward and very easy to do, and pretty much this is all the video is about. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.